In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create an orbiting text animation that makes your text move around as if it's circling in space. Let's start step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that fits the orbiting look. Clean, bold, or futuristic fonts usually work best so the motion stays clear and readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find the asteroid orbit animation. Apply it and you'll instantly see your text moving in a circular orbit-like motion around an invisible center point, giving it a cool, space-inspired effect. To fine-tune the movement, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a faster, more energetic orbit. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, smoother cinematic rotation. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added an orbiting text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.